Milk is often called a complete food, strong bones, healthy muscles, daily energy. But for millions of people, milk tells a very different story, one that starts quietly inside the body. As milk reaches the stomach, digestion doesn't always go smoothly. For sensitive stomachs, lactose can trigger irritation, causing bloating, discomfort, and inflammation. What should feel nourishing begins to feel heavy. In some bodies, the immune system reacts. The skin turns red. Inflammation spreads. These are signs of a milk allergy, your body treating milk as a threat instead of fuel. Then there's blood sugar. Milk contains natural sugars, and for some people, they cause a sudden glucose spike. Energy rises fast, but crashes just as quickly, leaving behind fatigue, brain fog, and weakness. Over time, this cycle takes a toll. Cells glow less, energy fades, the body feels slower, heavier, drained. Milk isn't bad, but it isn't perfect for everyone. The real key to health isn't following tradition. It's listening to your body, because what fuels one person can silently harm another.